Have you ever pondered how vast the universe is and where it all began? In the grand scheme of things, we trace it all back to a singular moment, a singular point, around 13.8 billion years ago, a phenomenon we call the Big Bang. Imagine, if you will, an initial singularity, an entity of infinite density and scorching temperature, quite literally everything that ever was or ever will be, compressed into an impossibly tiny dot. This dot, in a burst of unfathomable energy, began to expand, and as it did, it cooled. As the universe expanded, it cooled down, and the energy it contained transformed into particles, which eventually combined to form atoms. These atoms, in their myriad combinations, form the basis of everything we see, touch, smell, taste, and hear. From a point of unfathomable heat and density, the universe expanded and cooled, setting the stage for the creation of atoms, the building blocks of everything around us. So, the universe had its building blocks, but how did these atoms form the celestial bodies we see today? Well, it all started with a cosmic dance between gas and dust. In the vast expanse of the universe, these particles began to coalesce, drawn together by the invisible hands of gravity. These clouds of gas and dust, known as nebulae, started to spin and contract under their own weight, creating a hot and dense core. And thus, a star was born, its nuclear furnace igniting and casting light into the cosmos. But stars aren't solitary dancers. They gather in massive groups, creating galaxies. These are the large-scale structures of the universe, each one housing billions upon billions of stars. Take our very own Milky Way galaxy, for instance, a swirling spiral of around 200 billion stars. From clouds of gas and dust to magnificent galaxies, the universe was starting to take shape, with stars lighting up the cosmos. Stars and galaxies filled the universe, but where do planets and life fit into this cosmic picture? As we delve deeper into this celestial story, we find that planets form around stars in what we call planetary systems. Born out of the very same cosmic dust that births stars, these planets, including our very own Earth, are testament to the unending cycle of cosmic creation and evolution. Now, when we talk about life, it's a whole different ballgame. Life as we know it requires certain conditions, like the right distance from a star, a stable orbit, and the presence of water, to name a few. Earth, in its perfect location in the so-called Goldilocks zone, where conditions are just right, became a cradle for life, allowing it to emerge, evolve, and thrive. In the vast cosmic ocean, Earth emerged as a unique haven for life, a blue marble in the midst of countless stars. From the Big Bang to the birth of Earth, the universe has been on an incredible journey. But what about now, and what lies ahead? Today we find ourselves in a universe that's continuously expanding, a cosmos that's constantly in motion. Our understanding of it is continually evolving, yet there are mysteries that still baffle us. We know that the universe is a vast expanse of galaxies, stars, and planets. But what about life? Are we alone in this vast cosmos? Or is there life out there, waiting to be discovered? The search for extraterrestrial life is one of the great quests of our time. As for the future, it's as vast and as unknown as the universe itself. Will the universe continue to expand indefinitely? What will become of our own galaxy, our own planet? Our place in this grand cosmic theater is both humbling and inspiring. As we gaze into the cosmos, we continue to explore, learn, and wonder, for the universe is a grand mystery, waiting to be unraveled.